Japan's top currency diplomat Mamura says, I would say the outcome of Japan's trade deal with the US is the best thing that we could do realistically.
Yo, what's happening, boys? Hope everyone's doing well. Good morning, welcome
to Stratton Oakmont.
You know it, my guy, you know it. Try that one again.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
That's it, bro. Welcome to Stratton Oakmont. Try that one more time.
Mamura says investment tax and trade deal was fair.
That seems about perfect.
Japanese
Morning,
and
Karibu
jumps to
Ndugu.
pick projects proposed by US-Japan committee.
Good morning, bye. Alhamdulillah, I'm good. How are you? Right, today is the last trading day I've got on the 100k account. So if I catch a trade today, I can request a payout tomorrow and get paid out tomorrow. So it'd be nice to catch a trade. I might take a trade on my account different to usual style. So what I'm thinking is if I don't catch a normal trade, I might take it on my going with the flow. That's good. I might take it on my 100k account with, like, for example, if it's a big SL or something like that, I might just take it on the account. Because if I just make 1-2 and I'll do 1% risk anyway. So if I make 1-2 I'll be up about 1,000 or something. So I just request that payout and get it done. That's what I'm thinking anyway. Just so I can get myself paid, innit? That's my funded next account.
Mamira says, I don't think we need an annual cap for US-bound investment like South Korea in light of Japan's foreign currency market.
So that's the plan anyway. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's see what we can do, man. Catch something clean. I've been writing the analysis. Yesterday I was writing the analysis. I just couldn't catch a clean entry on the shorts. So yeah, we're just gonna see what we can get today, if we can get anything today. Had a build up here. Broke structure there. I don't like the look of that because I can also see a build up here, which you could then say here's the build up on the opposite side for that. Used to just do it like that, for example. So I don't like the look of that, but this looks like a clean build up right here. But obviously we didn't break structure or anything there. And going down to this price action, I can't really see anything. You got a compression of price right here. I've noticed we trade so similar, bro. Yeah, I know. It's because you have because you learned from Waka. It's because you learned from Waka. And I learned from the person who taught Waka, which is why I'm better. And then, well, not even that. So I got a few concepts from people, but I used 4 different people and I stuck all of the strategies together, and then I back tested it myself. So mine's a bit different because it's a mix of like 3 different people. And then obviously mine's also better because my psychology is better than theirs anyway. The build up there, an inducement there, but then we failed to break structure. We continue to go lower, so let's ignore that. Let's look at the reverse side of price. We took out this high here, which this took it out by how much? Which this took it out by 0.2. This took it out by 0.2. So that's not really necessarily the sweep I'm looking for.
Companies could handle.
I'm just going through my analysis now, bro, so I'll let you know in about 5 minutes. I was literally looking through pairs right now. So we had a build up there. Obviously, hence why we got that massive drop off. If it was a buy, I'd reverse and do that, but we know shorts are more likely in the market with the DXY strength. Obviously, we could short take. We don't know what the DXY is going to do, so let's just follow what price action gives us. I'm not going to pick a bias today. I'm just going to follow price action like normal, to be honest. I prefer shorts with the DXY strength, but if it gives opportunity for buy, I don't mind taking it.
Mirror says, I'm a bit worried whether or not the current
Actually, look at this.
Stock market might be a little too rapid.
Asia come out and took out these highs. Okay, that's fine. That's actually perfect. You had 1, 2, 3 highs there. Okay, I prefer that. That looks cleaner on EU now. We took the zone out by 1.1 pips, still valid because you had a massive reaction there, and then we're shorting from there as well, so I like the idea of that. Zones not too short from would be M5 supply zones. Don't short from M5 supply zones, they're going to be a bit obvious. And we just come out, took this low here. Brass. What do you mean? Wait, you mean you clicked on my video and before it started it showed the ad? What the hell? Bro, ain't even started the stream and they're showing ads. Bro, what the hell? Now which is gonna hold over the other? This or this? I think this is gonna hold because you took out New York high with an equal high with another equal high, and then you had a good reaction from there. We broke structure there, I suppose. Then we continued up and we broke structure here, I suppose. So we made a lower low and a lower high and a lower low after that sweep, so it looks good. London on Frankfurt on GU had equal highs right here, took them out right there. We'll just clean up the chart a bit, innit? Oh shit. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, clean up the chart a bit. So we had this here, and then we had this channel here. That's right, the channel sweep, it did break structure, but it did it slowly. But then we built a channel here. After breaking structure, we tied the channel and then melted through it. So obviously with these channels, you can trade against them or you can trade after them. Yeah, it just depends where do you get the entry. If you see a sweep on the high side and you can't get an opportunity for shorting through this low without touching a demand zone, you can take it. Plus 5 minutes, what do you mean? What do you mean, Francis? Karibu Unduku, by the way. So that's what I'm thinking, because it happened yesterday on GU, didn't it? Where obviously I had the build up of a channel right here, touched the supply zone, everything. Yeah, I did mark the supply zone for a short, the inducement for a short, but I didn't mark the supply to realize this order flowing from there, and potentially here to be more confident in the short. Even though we had the build up there and stuff like that, Steam wasn't synced. Oh, that's weird. Is it synced now? Ah, that's weird. Anyway, so obviously there you had that demand zone there, broke structure there, all that stuff. On this trade, I was looking at it. If I took it, I would have been tagged at break even anyway, so it's not the end of the world, but I suppose following the plan and stuff. Reloaded the page. Ah, okay, yeah. So yeah, and then obviously we've got this high here, been taken out there, pushing price lower. Let's see what happens in it. Suppose we've made the wick on the downside for DXY. So it makes sense that on DXY now we could just continue to push up. But then also we've got the 100.25 level. So this made it equal high. So 100.255 is actually, this zone is actually 100.257. So it's actually made almost equal highs right there. So I think my alert is set where? 100.280, yeah. I think after we take that level out, we might get a push down. So we could buy up to this level, or we could short down to Asia low. Then that might give DXY enough to take out that 1.280 level, and then you might get a reaction there for a potential short on the DXY to go long.
Diplomat Mamura says investment in AI is
That's
good
what
now,
I'm thinking
many
anyway.
Of these AI ecosystems may be eventually forced out of the market.
So I'm gonna mark out some invalid zones, and then we're gonna see what happens from these zones, because I'm not obviously totally sure yet, so we have to obviously sit and watch and see what happens. 830, and then obviously that's obviously got Asia low right there. Here we've got a bunch of lows right here, so price might kind of fly through this level right here. And then let's go to GBPCHF. Actually, let's sit on M2 to be fair. Let's sit on M2 so you can see price action a bit cleaner.
Go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
On GU and EU, you do get Asia midline reactions, but you gotta get the context of the day. But you can trade from midline. It's a bit, just do your back testing, bro. It's a bit different though. Yeah, Financial Juice, yeah. Financialjuice.com. Actually, you know what? I need to do another.
China.
No, I wanted Trump's China.
China. China.
It's not racist at all. No, not at all. It comes from China.
Donald Trump don't trust China. China is asshole.
That's funny.
When was the last time anybody saw? I love China. I love China. China, China, China. I just sold an apartment for $15 million to somebody from China. I love China. China. I just sold an apartment for China, China, China.
I don't know which one. None of them are that good, man. We'll give that one a miss. None of them are good. Yeah, I know. Trust me. I know. Normally what I do is I just click on the sound button so it stops because it's annoying. So yeah, trust me, I know, bro. I know. Actually, I'm just gonna zoom into here. And then we can keep an eye on there and see what price action's gonna do. See Asia low right there, so that's fine. Okay, so this here, we had a build up, a sweep, didn't break structure, but then we had another build up right here. No, you can have multiple open. You just have to set up different instances, and once you've opened the instant, you pin it to your taskbar, so that instance there. Otherwise, if you click on the icon for MT5 in your desktop, it's just gonna bring the most newest account. So you have to set up different instances, log into your account, pin it to your taskbar for that specific account, then set up a new one, pin it to your taskbar, set up a new one, pin it to your taskbar, and then log into all of the, and then you can log into all of the different instances. It does take a bit of RAM, to be honest, because like I know MT5 is low, but when you got 10 of them, it does make like a bit of a difference. Because obviously, like, my processor's good, yeah, but my RAM's only 16 gig and it's DDR3, I think, so it's not even fast RAM. So it does get a bit sometimes, but that's only because of the stream. But if I'm just doing trading without the stream open, and I'm just, you know, no Discord, no Telegram, just me trading like on my own, the computer's perfectly fine. So yeah, okay, so we did have the sweep of this low here. We had a nice little bullish run from there. There you go. So I do like the look of this. And we got obviously relatively equal highs Asia. If I get 30, oh yeah, 32 gigs fine. Especially if you get DDR4 or DDR5. If you get DDR5 because it's a new laptop, you'll have no problems, bro. It's just this computer, it's old software because it's i7 9th gen, which is 2018 or 2019, yeah. So almost 7-8 years old. And the RAM's probably from there as well, like from that sort of time, DDR3 or whatever. There you go, DDR5, that's gonna be rapid, bro.
Slide says the government is watching the moves with a sense of urgency.
32 gig is 16 gig DDR5 is enough for like 10 accounts on MT5, because 16 gig DDR5 versus 16 gig DDR3 is a massive difference. The Asus ZenBook Duo I told you last month. I forgot the specs on it. Send me the specs again, or send me the listing, I'll have a look. But yeah, I do remember us looking at something that you shown. I just can't remember how good it was, if you know what I mean, like what the spec was on it. But I learned loads about computers, man. Thank God I'm an intelligent person. To build up there, push that sweep, see what's going on here. I think you'll be all right. because you're not going to be streaming in it. You know, when you're streaming, it takes bare room on your GPU. And obviously, if you don't have a GPU, you just have the Intel with the built-in graphics card, then your processor is going to work hard in it if you're streaming, yeah. And then obviously your RAM to run the software and stuff like that, yeah. But if you just use it for trading, you'll have no problems at all, bro. Honestly, it's fine just for trading. Okay, that's interesting. So we did have a, do you have a SEEP of any level? Just Asia high. Did you SEEP any low? No, because we filled that massive fair value gap, didn't we? So yeah, we filled that gap right there on GJ. So yeah, I think we might be bullish from here on now, you know, especially if we're going to see continued dollar strength. Hopefully the pound weakness is going to kind of stop falling off. I hope it's going to level out for the press conference you got tomorrow for the Bank of UK, Governor Bailey's decision on the situation of the rate cut. So you have to keep an eye on that. Okay, so nothing as of yet. DDR5 32GB, DDR5 600 megahertz. What's the CAS latency on that? What's the CAS latency? 2 4K OLED screens. Hey, I thought it's a laptop. 1 terabyte PCIe 5, yeah, Intel Ultra 9. I preferred the i9 14, but that's because value for money. But I suppose it's still, the Ultra 9 still good. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's a really good computer, bro. Really good computer. You just want to check on the DDR5 if it's a CL30 or not. If it's a CL30, that's a sick RAM. 6000 megahertz CL30 is fast. Only thing I'd say is 2 terabyte. Asus doesn't show CAD latency, but I'm hoping it's a 30. Yeah, normally DDR5 6000 megahertz are normally 30 or 36. So 36 ain't bad, but this is gaming spec in it, so it's fine for trading. It's perfectly fine for trading. I'm just like one of those people, when I do something, I do it to the best level. Like with engineering and racing cars, I built my engine to handle 1000 horsepower, but it only ran 500-600. I just prefer to have everything at the best it can be, so when I'm utilizing it, it's never overstrained or overstressed. I just do that in everything, like everything I do, like work, cars, everything. I'm just how I am. It doesn't have a dedicated. Okay, so it's going to be using the graphics card built into the processor. Then it's probably going to be a Intel UHD 770, I think. I think they use 770 on the i7 14th gen, i9 14th gen. They use the 770. So unless they put a new GPU built into the Ultras, it's probably just be the 770 again, which runs 4K anyway. It's fine for normal use. They're just not good for streaming, obviously, because I stream. I want a separate GPU and stuff like that. And then obviously with the GTA coming out. And if I've got a computer built good enough, I might start doing a bit of gaming, even though I've never really done it before. But yeah, my computer's gonna have the best RAM. I prefer the 14th gen. I don't like the Ultras. I'm just not keen on the Ultra series. That's just a personal thing. And then the i9, either that or I'm gonna get a MacBook Pro with M4 Pro. With the way Windows 11 is behaving of late, I'm not too keen on getting into that ecosystem. What do you mean Windows 11 isn't? I mean, what issues are you talking about? Because a lot of people say that, but I'm not really catching the problem. It's looking like me there's going to be buys, you know. Had the M5 zone here, took that zone out. if we can break clean from here, actually I prefer a clean break from here on EU. I don't mind longing EU, and we've got obviously a demand zone that we just made right here as well. Or we're printing it now, like we're literally printing it right now. So if that's within the 2 to, oh yeah, that's good. 1 second. So 2 there, and then we can go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2.5 there, and then obviously on here we can drop down to 2 pips. What's that covering on the low? The 7.5. Oh, what the hell? 7.5. Oh god. $7.5 goes into 7.9. So, okay, so for us to do that, I'll probably do 1. I could just do 2.5 anyway. Yeah, I don't mind that. Wait, news. Let's look at news. Yeah, I know. Yeah, let's stop for a second, because I need to catch a trade, bro. Today's the last trading day on the 100k account. If I catch a TP on the 100k account, I can get a payout tomorrow. So I need to catch a trade today. Like, I need to focus in it. So just leave you alone for 5 minutes. And then after the trade, okay, broke structure. Okay, broke structure. I'm setting a limit on this bad. Oh shoot, GJ, GU. Damn it. Think. Is there an invalidation on GU to? Bollocks. Absolute bollocks, man. GU, what you doing, bro? I want to take this, but GU is literally in a supply zone, right there on M2. On an M1, it's like so close, man. Do I take it or not? I might just take this on the 100k, being willing to accept the risk that it could take a L. Okay, GU's doing good right now. I'll set the limit anyway. I'll set the limit on the 100k account. I've not done 0.5% risk. I've done slightly less than 0.5% risk. Because if I catch 2R, then I'm good to go basically. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Actually, let me just edit that again because I made a mistake on that. Yeah, there. I'll set the limit on there, but I'm willing to take that loss in it.
On the track or in the market.
On EU.
The challenge is the same.
I was thinking, so yeah, think what you think, I think what I think, innit? Because you need to follow your own plan and kind of learn yourself how you view the market, innit? For example, I could be wrong on this because I know that it's a bit more of a riskier trade because obviously... Oh, wait a second. You broke that level there now. So if you break that level and we get a drop down into this demand zone, then I suppose you're good to go, innit? The thing is, it's annoying. I might take it on the ACG account as well. I'm thinking about taking on the ACG account too. I might just send it on there as well. Yeah, screw it, I'm gonna send it on here, why not? There. So I got it on the ACG account and I got it on the 100k. Now let's see what happens. I'm not taking it on the rest because I'm trying to follow my trading plan and because I'm trying to build a track record, yeah? Obviously I need the track record to be absolutely perfect. Okay, triggered on ACG and we're already in profit. Now let's see what actually happens across all the accounts, innit? EU didn't tag, Funded Next didn't tag yet. Let's see what happens, and I want to see just teeny bit drop more down and then push up in it. So I need to look at the entry and SL. Oh, there you go, we're in now. And it got entered at exactly 90 on this account, and the SL is 63. 63. Yeah, 63. So 2.7 pips. So let's see how that does. I'm just gonna wick and take this low out and push up, or it's gonna be a L, which is why I didn't take it on all the accounts because it's different to the usual trade I'm taking. Let's keep an eye on the rest of the pairs only for an actual trade setup that does fit the plan. Let's put that there. Okay, let's go to M15. Bitcoin's down, gold. So look what gold did here, man. Literally just missed my level, bro. Literally right there. It's so close to this level, so that's gonna go over to another day. Yeah. And then silver. Silver's dropped down, it's quite a bit. It's pushed up a bit, but it's coming down, man. The commodities are coming down slowly. They're coming down slowly. There's no news at the moment, so we're clear on the news front. There's gonna be raw price action. Either there's gonna be a L or a break even, so let's see in it what happens with this. Okay. You could say it tagged into this demand zone right here, but I'm just gonna keep it as it was before and just see what happens. I'm gonna go break even as soon as it breaks this level here, and then hopefully I get enough profit on the account in it. or it's gonna take a L. One of the two. I'm willing to accept either anyway. It's coming close to the L. It's coming really close to the L. Let's go on 15 seconds so I can keep an eye on it more clearer. It looks like it's gonna take it out. I'd prefer to push up, obviously, but I'm not sure if we'll get it. Because GU kind of made equal highs drop down. I'm expecting to push up again, innit? That's kind of what the idea is anyway. Let's look at the other accounts. What's the balance on this one? And then that one there. 0.6, 0.25. Okay, that's fine. Pushing up now slowly. I would just like it to break structure here so I can go break even. And then hopefully there's just enough money on the account then that I can get a payout. Hopefully that's all I'm really hoping for, innit? I'm gonna swap CHF on here for EU on M5 so I can keep an eye on it on M5. Okay, all the accounts are in profit now, even the 100k. Now let's see if it's gonna hold the level or if it's gonna drop down again. This is gonna be the next thing in it. Is it gonna hold or is it gonna drop? Why did the price slightly different on all the other accounts? So this one triggered at 890. This one was at 895. This one's at 893. So there's a bit of a variation there. Yeah, pushing down again. So see how GU's pushed up and break structure there? I want to see EU push up and break structure as well. Obviously you got that invalid zone right there as well, haven't you? So it's going to be interesting to see what happens in this invalid zone. I'm tempted to reduce risk, so I'm gonna do that just because there's no reason for price to come down even further. So if it does, it's gonna take me out. So I've just reduced my SL from 0.25% to what's this now, 0.2%, 2 pips, sorry. Yeah, because if it comes back, it's gonna take me out. So I just kind of shaved a bit of risk on that trade. Same with the ACG account, same with the funded next account. I'm having a slightly different approach in the way I'm trading, as you can tell. This is why I don't like trading slightly different methods, man. I like it as it's the one that you're most comfortable with and the one you know at the back of your hand, because I've got a lot of experience now in the charts and with how price action can behave. I could take a bit more of a different approach managing these trades, but for my track record, I just wanted to be those clean setups, man. There you go, that's better. And I'm gonna roll stop loss a bit more to shave a bit more risk off. There you go. Now the risk is almost nothing. So if it does drop and take me out, it doesn't matter at this point. This is getting tense. Nah, not really. It's just price doing what it does, innit, man? Like, it's just reading price action. I'm also looking for a trade. Yeah. You follow what you want. Don't copy me, because like, if you copy me, you're not gonna learn. Because like, I'm talking about why I've took it, the reason I've took it, stuff like that, because I know. So for you to grow as a trader and learn as a trader, you also need to get that as well. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there we go. This is looking good now. So been in the trade for how many minutes? The antibodies. Yeah, basically. Oh god. Now if it pushes up and breaks structure, I'll be happy. I'm gonna shave risk off of these accounts even more. There. There's even less risk on these trades. Now is it gonna tag that? Oh, it's dropping back down. What's it gonna do? Is it gonna tag me, or is it gonna... On ACG it's about to tag. Let me just drop that SL a bit. Yeah, that tagged on ACG. So ACG is out with the loss. My other account's about to get that loss as well. Oh no, we're holding. There you go, that's better. I need that invalid zone to get taken out so you can push up alongside it. So the ACG accounts took an L, which is hilarious. The anti-Bashy strategy, man, that made me laugh. GJ, so it's not even given an entry for a buy, which is annoying, because I did want to take a buy lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, break structure there, but it's not given a damned entry, is it? So yeah. Oh, about to tag SL. Oh, it's hovering right there. Right there, it's hovering. Okay, yes, tagged. There you go. There's an L on there. But it wasn't, as I said, that big of a deal. It's only a 0.3% loss on the 100k, so it's not really. Are you kidding me? Yo, look at that. Look at that. Lol, look at that. That is so funny, bro. It took me out, yeah, on that candle. Then it's like, peace out, my bro. Look at that. That is so funny, bro. I swear, man. That is so funny. Oh, man. Watch it go up and break structure and give a potential break even after taking me out. Oh man, this is hilarious. Right, okay, let's get out of this and go back to CHF. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what they mean. But this is why you don't like. Okay, so look what's happened there. Yeah, it literally took me out, flew all the way up. Yeah, break structure here. Everyone's thinking I'm gonna get back in. I'm gonna get back in. Price to me, I'm gonna get back in. Now it might come down and take the lows out. Whereas with me, I just laughed and accepted my fate. That's it. Just accept it, bro. Simple as. So that's probably enticed more traders right in. That's literally probably got more traders right in there. Hence why I was doing this choppy bollocks. Oh, it's London Open right now.
With Bookmap, you can see it all on the heat map and with an array of add-ons and indicators available.
Peace out, Ndugu. I'm taking your money and moving. Yeah, it's alright, bro. No problem, man. So yeah, there you go. L. It's okay, man. It is what it is. I just wanted to catch like a bit of a move in it, in the hopes that if it kind of did something like tagged in here, did a breaker structure, tagged in here, gave a bit of reaction, even if it is enough to make like 1,000, 2,000 on the 100k account just to get a payout. That's all I was really looking for. I wasn't looking for a full flipping 20-hour trade or something like that. It's just to make that payout and stuff like that, which I was willing to risk in it. And this is the issue with trading with prop firms. They kind of want you to take that risk, want you to take that loss and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Okay. And you see how on London Open it comes straight into the demand zone. That's interesting. That should break structure now. I was caught up in the bloody other trade, wasn't I? I was caught up in the other trade. That looks valid actually. Now let's see if it would have given a break even or not. So I took an L on this, that's fine. Missed the entry on this, that's okay. Because obviously I took an L on this at the same time I missed that trade basically, so that's fine. Can't even take that now.
Well, hello everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets.
Yeah.
You're
You're behind the
trader.
markets. You
You're
chill out,
real
man. I
time
swear to God.
at financialjuice.com.
There. Got rid of it. That's funny. Alright, what are you guys looking for anyway? Ah, look at this. London come out, took these lows and that's pushing up. Ah, yeah. Lows, London open, bang. Could be the case. It looks like it's shaping up like that. Oh. This was so clean on GU as well. Look at this, bro. Broke structure here, tagged the demand zone at London open. This is the only issue I would say that you could have here with trading M1 is when you're in one trade and you're managing it, you're gonna miss out other opportunities. Because look at that. And now I can't hop back in because that's just gonna potentially move. Yeah. Yeah, look at that go, man. Welcome to trading, innit? And that's exactly what I wanted to happen, but obviously the entry was at 7:40, valid time, all that stuff completely valid. Obviously we had this situation right here with price and stuff coming into that invalid zone. Yeah, London open volume kick in, exactly. Yeah, I know. Oh, look at that. So I missed it on GJ, I missed it on GU because I took a loss on EU. Yeah, I need to get faster at just moving to other pairs instead of sat analyzing. I can sit analyze it later. I just need to go faster to move into other pairs. Not the one you took, but the one that tagged the Tokyo midline. Yeah, that one there on GU. That one there on GU at 7:30. A long boy display. So look at that, bro. 4R there, 5.5R here. Trying to think of, is there any other way to get back in? Bro, look at this now, bro. Look at this now. Yo, CS. Yeah, it's unfortunate, man. It's unfortunate. I wanted longs. Longs played out. The one that I took got slapped, so it is fine. This is why I did it on the 100k account, innit? Because it wasn't the perfect setup. But I was willing to take the risk, obviously. I took the risk, I minimized the risk, and that's all that matters, innit? Gold just hit the 0.5 level TP, nice. So yeah, and then obviously I missed out on this, and then I missed out on this as well. So yeah, man, it is what it is. Look at that, girl. Look at that, girl. 35 pips would have been TP1, so it would have been 8.5 RT, 8.8 RTP1. Yeah. I took a long on Euro only on my 100k funded and 1-2 accounts just because I was willing to be a bit more risky. I didn't take it on TradingView because TradingView is linked to my FX Street account, FX Book account where my track record is being held, so I didn't want to take a risky trade. Which is good I didn't take it because obviously I did take it L, but the bias is completely right. But whilst I was analyzing the loss on there, GJ played out, GU played out, so that was annoying because these were the more premium setups basically. This was much more clean and stuff like that, but I was in the EU trade, and with M1 obviously you have to manage it. So the negative side of that is obviously when you're in a trade on M1 you can't really look at other pairs because you just sat managing it and stuff, which is kind of annoying. So yeah, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. I'm glad the analysis is right, all that stuff. This zone is gonna fail. That zone failed, tagged the demand zone, gave an entry. That zone broke structure, tagged the demand zone, flew off from there. London Open as well, which is perfect, man. That London Open entry is so good if you catch it. So yeah, like on the minute as well, literally 8 AM on the minute, it tagged the zone on the minute, consolidated and flew off. That was collecting orders for those 3-4 minutes. So look at that now, man. 8R there, 10R there, 18R. If you'd have set limits on both of them, 18R, bro. So unfortunate. So unfortunate. Yeah, he's high time frame. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. There's no entry there. I wouldn't have taken that. Yep. Oh god, yeah. You can't just sit on prop firms because they have the one-sided betting rule and all these rules and stuff like that. So yeah. That's good you took that trade, bro, on EU longs. Well done.
We're implementing AI.
I really hope this one works.
Well,
GU longs are better anyway. The GU longs I think had more volume in it versus the EU longs. Oh, good did I miss that, man. Yeah, that's good. One trade a day. Well done. That's really good.
China bans foreign AI chips from state-funded data centers.
Yeah, but no entry in GU, so you just took it on EU instead, I'm guessing. Very clean. Literally, that's what I wanted to see, but as in EU, I took a long from here, and then obviously that was more of an aggressive entry because obviously I'm a 100k account. My payout cycle ends today, so tomorrow I can get a payout, so I was just willing to take more of a risky trade. So I took it and I took a L, and then I minimized risk as soon as I could, which is fine. And then I took a L. Yeah, very aggressive, exactly. And then obviously because of that really aggressive entry, obviously London Open come down, took it out, and then because of that I missed the GU and GJ longs, which is fine. It is what it is. It is what it is. I was literally setting my limit on my phone on here on the 100k account, but it just kind of missed my entry model in it. But it's funny though, isn't it, when you think about it, because I was looking at the one that was the worst out of the three. You know what I'm saying? It's just one of those things. No, it's not even passing. It's for the funded account, innit? But so yeah, it just would have been nice. But as I said, I was willing to take that. I didn't do the usual 0.5% risk. I did less than that. As soon as I took the trade, I shaved the risk straight away. So I just only lost like 0.3%. It's actually 0.28%. So 0.28 is nothing, man. I'm only down on the 100k account by 0.7%, so it's not really end of the world, is it? With the 0.5% risk, or 1 or 2 hour, I've made it back and profit, so it's not really the end of the world. The biases all played out, that's the main thing, innit? I was right on the biases and stuff like that. Bitcoin looks like it's going to short off again. Silver's up 1.4, gold's up 1.3, Bitcoin's up 1.3, but I think Bitcoin's going to keep falling. GJ is looking nice, CHF looking nice, but there's no entry in CHF. There was no entry on CHF. Nah, there wasn't. Yeah, there wasn't really an entry unless you just kind of extra covered the level. For example, from here. Yeah, but then odds are you probably covered the low instead, innit? So yeah, you maybe could have had an entry on GBPUSD, but I don't like the look of taking that because then you're covering the high and the low on such a tiny space. It's not even worth it. Anyway, see you guys. Bye Bashy, bye traders. Yeah, that's good, man. Glad you caught that trade and stuff like that. You called it one and done. That's good, man. Well done. Proud of you. And see why I didn't chase price action. If I chased it on this break, I'd be straight in drawdown. I would have caught like 15 pips and then instantly would have been straight back into that level, which is why I didn't chase price action. That trade's done. Maybe it's the partials, which are 35 pips, and obviously on M1 I hold it for the body close above 35 pips, which that wasn't a body close. The body close is 42, so I'd have held it above, or on that candle 39 pips I'd have probably just taken partials there.
China centers affected by the new ruling must remove installed foreign chips.
Same with this, so 15 to 18 pips is partial, so 15 wasn't there. It was 16.5. I'd have probably taken partials at 16.5.
At 3:30 a.m. Eastern time, we get the Swedish
Actually, no.
rate forecast. No change.
I'd probably
on the
held it.
1.7.
I'd have held it and probably taken it around there, yeah, possibly something like that. Yeah. That'd have been brilliant. 14 minutes for TP1, but that's London Open entry. You get the volume in your direction. Beautiful trade though, man. Textbook, absolutely textbook. Beautiful. I analyzed that to an absolute T. So this is a learning day for me, and I'm going to do it in front of you. Where did I go wrong today? The aggressive trade was fine, no problem with that. That's completely okay. Where I went wrong was when I took the loss on that trade. Instead of going on to the next pair straight away, I was sat there analyzing why I took the loss. So what I should do is take the trade. When the loss comes, ignore it, go to the next trade, look for the next trades, and then after the session's done, then look back at it. So learning point for me right there. That way it's not taking my attention away from other valid trades. Right, lesson learned, innit? That won't happen again. I don't mind when this stuff happens on stream because you get to see me as a trader learning, innit? I'm taking a realistic approach. Oh, why did price take me out? Oh, look at GU, it gave it entry. Oh, what the hell? I hate trading. None of that happening here. It's just literally just sitting, looking at it and thinking, where did I go wrong? Where did I go right? And that's it. And just accepting it. So I'm glad it happened on stream, man, because then it's a learning thing for everyone, isn't it? So London Open moves 15 to 20 pips before giving a reversal. What's it done? Moved 15 to 18 pips and now it's giving a reversal. Same at the end. There you go, giving a reversal. Bro, this is why I love data. You literally cannot argue with just the raw factualness of data. Let's do a favor, hit like, thank you. That's coming into a potential demand zone. Yep, right there. Let's see if it holds or not. If it holds, but the price is going to go up. If it does, then that's the reversal. We're going to keep pushing down. So let's see what happens. I'm keeping this on the chart. Absolute sniper entry as well. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that on the chart. And then this also I'll keep on the chart. That we can get rid of. This we can all keep. I'm gonna change that to the
At 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Swedish Riksbank rate.
There.
Forecast no change on the prior 1.75%.
lock all that down. Go to M2. Yeah, they kept at 80. Yeah, there you go. And see how the buy, you see how the buy was right at Asia high. That's why I say I don't mind taking buys at highs or lows of London high, London low, Asia high, Asia low, whatever. Because you can see price is showing you it wants to continue going higher. You just need an entry model to kind of fit you to get into that trade, which is what happened here. I like that, man. That was clean. Very clean. Now I'm just thinking, where do I trade from now, innit? Like, where do I trade from now? Because now what we've done is we've come up and we've taken these highs here in London Open. Obviously we've had this short here. This is now potentially giving a signal for a short as well. So I think that now this is gonna be the invalid zone. Why? Price tagged into it, gave a reaction, and I might come down and take that zone out. So there could be a potential another trade. I just need to be mindful of this. Yeah, look at that. It's took out these highs as well by 1.2 pips, and I was giving a rejection off of that level. Five-minute demand zone here. Price hasn't tagged to that level yet. On M1, there's been no, so it broke structure here. Didn't really give a chance for an entry, so I couldn't have entered short if I did that anyway. So I think I'd still wait. I think that's going to be an invalid zone and price could continue going higher. Let's think about this, yeah.
One minute remaining.
I'm not so sure. It could be the case where price is just flying up here at London open volume, coming back to balance price out and continue higher. I'm not exactly sure, which is why I'm kind of waiting.
Seconds. No change, no change. Rate remains unchanged at 1.75% as expected.
Swiss bank rate is the same. French PMI is at 850. Services composite. German services at 850. Eurozone UK services at 930. See, if you were in this trade, you could have held it through UK services PMI. If you were in this trade, could have just kept hold on to it all the way through to 930, and if it pushed in your favor, you would have got another 4, 5, 6 or out of that, depending how much better or how much worse it is.
The Swedish central bank say policy rate is expected to remain at this level for some time. And new information also supports Riksbank's forecast that the economy is on its way to recovery.
I want to keep an eye on the charts for potential another trade on the 100k account.
And overall outlook for inflation and economic activity remains largely unchanged.
Look at that GU volume coming back in again. Look at that. Gold went up nice from London Open. Silver did as well, but then it oof, look at that pin bar or whatever the hell you call it on silver. So CS, what you been at then anyway? And Francis, what are you looking at anything else or not? If you were in EU GU longs, I would have definitely held it for sure through 9:30 PMIs, because it's not so volatile where it's gonna take you out. It'll probably give you like a 10-15 pip move. Now that 10-15 pip on a buy will push you up another 6-7R, 4-5-6-7R, and if you're in a long and it dropped, it would have dropped 5-6-7R, and if you're already up 8-9R, you can stomach that. Like you can take that in that trade. Worst case, you tag a break even after taking partials. Best case, you catch another 6, 7, 8, 9R in it.
At 3:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Italian PMI services forecast 53 on the prior 52 spot 5 and composite forecast 52 spot 1 on the prior 51 spot 7.
Yeah. I was looking for another way to potentially get in, but I can't seem to find one, so I'm just remaining patient. I got a feeling I might cut the stream early today because those trades I took and this move that's already happened, I think that's going to be it for London session, you know, until 9:30 obviously. So I'm going to probably stick around till 9:30, yeah, see what the news comes out as, and I think I'll probably call it there, man, because I don't think there's going to be much more. That's what I think. Yeah, today's done and dusted. Yeah, I just want to stick around for the news in it, but I suppose I could end it early. I suppose I don't need to sit there and just wait for news, I guess. Just thinking, innit, nothing I can really do. If I hop in now, that's going to be chasing price. Not a good idea. It could easily drop in reverse from here. It's already kind of met targets and data points and stuff like that. So it's not looking ideal, man, to take another trade. The only thing I can think is if we do another build up, yeah, drop down, take it, drop down into demand zone, then I could go long off of that demand zone. That's the only thing. Or the other option is just a very basic, simple one. Break structure, tag back into demand, just take it off of there, really simple, and just continue up. That's the only other thing. I've only got these two options really. Look at that now, that's interesting.
At 3:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Italian PMIs. Services forecast 53 on the prior 52 spot 5. Composite forecast 52 spot 1 on the prior 51 spot 7.
A wild ally appeared in the Discord. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I think there might be an entry on GJ in a second. It's coming back into that demand zone. I missed it right there. I'm just waiting for it to come back in, and then I might hop into that GJ. I'm just looking at how price action is. I'm just wondering if is price going to come down, take out that zone and then push up, or respect it and push up. That's what I'm just trying to figure out where to place my SL.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with Italian services PMI. $54 higher than forecast. 53 composite PMI. 53 spot 1. 53 spot 1 higher than forecast. 52 spot 1. At 3:50 a.m. Eastern time, we get French PMIs. Services forecast 47 spot 1 on the prior 47 spot 1. Composite forecast 46 spot 8 on the prior 46 spot 8. At 3:55 a.m. Eastern time, we get German PMIs. Services forecast 54 spot 5 on the prior 54 spot 5. Composite forecast 53 spot 8 on the prior 53 spot 8.
Just checking if it's gonna work or not.
Settle in for those longer evenings with EETV. For only £1 a month for 6 months, you'll get TV and film with the ultimate flex for the whole family. Powered by our ultra-reliable full fiber. Switch to our award-winning bundles today.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with French services PMI. Ten seconds. $48.48 higher than forecast. 47 spot 1 composite. 47 spot 7. 47 spot 7 higher than forecast. 46 spot 8. At 3:55 a.m. Eastern Time, we get German PMIs. Services forecast 54 spot 5 on the prior 54 spot 5. Composite forecast 53 spot 8 on the prior 53 spot 8. At 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Eurozone PMIs. Composite forecast 52 spot 2 on the prior 52 spot 2. Services forecast 52 spot 6 on the prior 52 spot 6. We also get the ECB wage tracker and Italian retail sales. Month on month, prior minus 0.1%. Year on year prior 0.5%.
Oh, looks like it's missed me again. I think if it pushes up from here, I'm done, mate. I'm done.
On the track or in the markets, the challenge is the same. Focus and precision. Every move matters. Every second counts. You need a platform that adapts and keeps you in control. Match Trader. Trading beyond limits.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with German services PMI. Seconds. $54.6, 54.6 higher than forecast, 54.5 composite, 53.9, 53.9 higher than forecast, 53.8. At 4 a.m. Eastern time, we get Eurozone PMIs. Composite forecast 52.2 on the prior 52.2. Services forecast 52.6 on the prior 52.6. ECB wage tracker and Italian retail sales month on month prior minus 0.1%, year on year prior 0.5%.
Yeah, I'm done, man. It just every time I'm setting a limit, it's just swerving it, and I'm not letting myself chase price because I've set a couple limits yet on this low here, but the spread just missed it and it's pushed up now, and I don't want to chase it based on obviously emotions and stuff like that, because that's just bad psychology and it's going to lead to like problems, if you know what I mean, with the trade and stuff like that. So I think I'm about done. Literally, it swerved me by on GJ. The spread was about 1.2 pips. It swerved me by a bit. My college farewell got over yesterday. Ah, that's good, man. I took a L on EU longs, and then when I took a L, GU and GJ played out. So yeah, all right, see you tomorrow. Where are you going, Francis? Yeah, so now I'm just trying to find a way to get back in, but I can't find a clean entry. I'm only taking it on the 100k account. I only took the trade on a 100k account. Yeah, longs, and then it got took out, and then obviously I had all this analysis set up, bro. And as I got took out, these happened, and then I was like, oh no, wait, look, oh no. Because of fair, yeah. So I just placed limits on GJ here, and it just got swerved from the spread. And basically with the 100k account, tomorrow my 14 days ends. So today's my last day on the 14th day. So if I caught TP today, tomorrow I could request a payout and get a payout tomorrow. That's why I was trying to like kind of not force a trade, but encourage a trade today. Obviously the markets are clean. They're really clean as well, bro. Like look back on the stream like an hour, bro, and all this was already drawn out. But I was in this trade, and then I took a L, very aggressive entry. They are moving so proper, exactly, yeah. But I took a very aggressive entry on EU, and that's what happened really. So it's annoying, man. I've even had the limit on the phone, on GJ. You probably can't see because I'm tiny in the corner, but there's a limit there.
1 minute remaining.
And
Only
it just
the
swerved me on
Eurozone
GJ, so I think
PMI.
I'm done for today, man. I kind of wanted to catch a trade in it, bro. You know what I mean? GJ is really outperforming against the thingy, man. The pound is outperforming against the euro today. I don't know, maybe. I don't like New York so much. I don't like it. I can't trade it, but I don't like it. My comfort zone is London session. But obviously, we'll see in it what happens. Now
10
we've got
seconds.
equal lows sat here. I wouldn't mind if price comes down, takes out these lows, then pushes higher.
52 spot 5, 52 spot 5 higher than forecast, 52 spot 2 services,
Just
53,
trying to
53
find an
higher than
entry,
forecast,
man.
52 spot 6.
Broke structure there. There's a demand zone right there. GU's also, wait a second, GU's also given a potential trade. Oh. Crashed, the golden crash. Yeah, I know. We're still on the risk off
Italian
market.
retail sales month on month, minus 0.5% year on year, 0.5%.
Everyone's getting liquidated on Bitcoin at the moment. Everyone is. Oh, did it just miss that zone? Did it miss that? Oh yeah,
And the
just
ECB wage tracker for the third
only
quarter
just
of
missed it on
M26,
M2.
Headline wage tracker stands at 2.
There is so much uncertainty. That's why gold is flying.
First half of 2026.
A Eurozone composite come out pretty good, so that's okay. Hopefully UK comes out good as well. I'm just trying to literally hop into a trade, man. If I can hop into something clean, I'll take it.
China Commerce Ministry suspends the unreliable entity list announced in April. And China to remove 15 US firms from export control list.
Yadrinya. Now look at Euro falling. I called the invalid zone on Euro anyway. Tagged it reaction, now it's gonna fail. But I'm really good on calling price today. Like really good. I just chose the worst pair today, which is Euro. And I don't like trading Euro, which is the funny thing. I normally don't like trading Euro. And that's the one that's kind of shafted me a bit today. Pound is the one that I like to trade. So yeah. Might as well cancel my limit on this account as well because price is literally gone. Like absolutely gone. Boy, do me favor, hit like. Thank you. Look at the yen go. Look at that go. Again, it didn't tag me in, it took me out. It swerved me by the spread, and that again would have been just enough. Ayah. Ayah.
In 2005, I left my job as a math teacher. It's because I wanted more freedom, and trading gave me that freedom. But at first, I struggled.
Now, the only other place I can think of, yeah, to get into a long is this demand zone right here. And that demand zone lines up with GU's demand zone right there. That's the only place I can get into a long. I've set another limit. Let's see if it tags. If it don't tag, bro, I'm not even surprised at this point. And if it takes a loss, it takes a loss, and it is what it is. As I said, I'm not taking it all on all my accounts. This is just on some of them. Okay, it's tagged on one of the accounts. I've reduced the SL instantly on this account. Come on, push up, man. It looks like I got swerved, but I got tagged on one of my accounts, so what the hell. Look at that, keys going up. Breaking structure, target demand zone, breaking structure, target demand zone. This is how I like price action to be, because it lets me get in. But I don't like taking it after such a big move. But as I said, on the 100k account, I don't mind being aggressive. But it didn't even tag me in, man. What the hell? I had 20 lots on GJ. I would have been up about 2,000 right now, and I would have banked and requested payouts. So I'm just being patient right now, really patient right now. I don't mind if it drops and tags me on my other accounts because ACG's up right now. If ACG goes up and hits TP, I suppose that's okay. Not what I wanted though, but this is what it is. Now I'll go 1% up on that account. The trade's looking good so far. Would have been better if I could have got in here, obviously, boys. I got swerved in it, so that's annoying. If I'd have got in here, I would have been okay, because then that would have been how many pips from here? It was 70. It was 80. So 80 up here, 20 odd pips. So I'd have been like 4 or 5 R. But I got in here instead, so yeah.
China's Wang urges China and Australia to consolidate mining cooperation.
That's cool.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
GJ's pulling back a bit slowly. So I'm in GG. I've got EU and GU limit set on the other two accounts, but I don't think it's gonna tag again. I want to go break even pretty quick. So once you break that high, I'm willing to go break even, but I have to see what happens in it. Euro is very weak today, which signals to me strength on the dollar. And then because of that, I don't mind getting in GJ. If dollar's weak, yen's gonna be strong, but then pound is outperforming yen, euro anyway. So yeah, just kind of sitting and watching what's happening right now. Okay, they took a break even on them. That's fine. We're in on GU.
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get UK PMIs. Services forecast 51 spot 1 on the prior 51 spot 1. Composite forecast 51 spot 1 on the prior 51 spot 1.
These are the holidays. They can be a lot. And this is your new Dell PC with Intel inside. It helps you handle a lot. From taking care of business with impressive battery life, to taking care of holiday to-dos with AI tools, to taking care of Aunt Jean, even if she can be a lot.
With Bookmap, you can see it all on the heat map and with an array of add-ons and indicators available.
China Trade Envoy says China and the US are important agricultural trade partners.
Right, I don't know if anyone's even here or if I'm on my own here. Right, another loss. I'm done, mate. I'm done.
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get UK PMIs. Services forecast 51.1 on the prior 51.1. Composite forecast 51.1 on the prior 51.1.
So today I'm down 0.8%, took 2 trades, both very aggressive. Took a L outside of the trading plan, which I was willing to do. This is what happens. Don't take trades outside of your trading plan. Boom, perfect. I don't really mind because 1 TP bring it all back. So yeah, we're done. We're done. Now I'm just gonna sit and wait for the news to come out and see how it does. If it does good or bad or whatever. What's this? Okay, limit order. Yeah, that's so cool, man. The highest it went to was that. Yeah, would have preferred it to be 30 pips, but nope, just mark that there.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with UK Services PMI. 52 spot 3, 52 spot 3 higher than forecast, 51 spot 1, composite 52 spot 2, 52 spot 2 higher than forecast, 51 spot 1.
That's good for the pound. I thought I'd done more of a move than that, but yeah, that's good for the pound, man. Really good. I just thought literally it would have done more than that because that's pretty much nothing, man. That's interesting. News come out good, but then we're still pushing down now. Very interesting. Okay, oh, you're still here, Amal. I thought you left. Bro, what does the news mean? Basically, the news was good for the pound, yeah? So you had services PMI. This is basically the, you know, the people who work in the service industry, yeah? They're telling us what they think the next month is going to be. So if they say to us that, oh, the forecast is 51.1, they said we think next month is going to be 52.3, which means you're going to do more servicing, more selling, more production of selling products, yeah, which is good, isn't it, for the growth of the economy. Now, if you look at manufacturing is the people who industries and warehouses and stuff like that. They say we think in the next month we're going to make this many more products. Exactly. So manufacturing is not good for the West. Services is good for the West. We buy a lot of products, yeah. India, manufacturing is important because India is a manufacturing country. Pakistan's a manufacturing country. China's a manufacturing country. You understand what I mean? So above 50 is growth. Below 50 is decline. So we were forecasted 51.1. We come out at 52.3. That's good. But the pound is still showing weakness. I think this makes it easy for them to cut rates. That's why this is happening. Because they're going to talk about cutting rates for the pound on Thursday. Now, Inflation is high. It's come down a little bit. Services, its own growth is going to go up. The government of the UK, Governor Bailey of the Bank of England might say, you know what, we can cut rates. If they do that, that's why the pound's going to start falling, because it's pricing it in. Otherwise, that should have pushed the pound higher. But the reason I think it's pushing it down is because of the rate cut that we're going to get tomorrow. I think it's preparing for that rate cut. I took another loss, by the way, but I don't mind. So now my 100k account is down 1.2%. But as I said, I don't mind. I just tried to make a trade for this payout cycle and stuff like that. I failed. It doesn't matter. No problem. I just go back to the trading plan, back to the normal strategy. One trade, I win it all back. So there's no problem. It's sad, isn't it? Because I really wanted to get the payout tomorrow, man. Oh. And the 50k account, I took another trade. The first three were break-evens, and the one last week was break-even. So alhamdulillah, I had no losses on those three trades. But then I took a loss on GU today as well, part of the trading plan and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it really, man. Now I'm gonna just see if I've met the rules and requirements for my account in it. I'm just messaging Quanteco now. I'm asking them, I've passed the rules. Can you give me the payout now, just to make sure that, you know, I'm gonna get the payout now. Obviously I took a loss here, so it's unfortunate because the payout's not gonna be as big, but it's still enough, bro. Alhamdulillah, it's still enough. It was supposed to have been about £1,000, $1,000, which after the split was about 800. But now it looks like it's going to be about 600, so I don't mind. It's not ideal, but not perfect, you know what I mean? It's not perfect either. It's annoying because they forced me to take more trades, isn't it? But alhamdulillah, the first three were break even. It's just this GU was a loss, but it's fine, man. So now, yeah, I think yeah, I might trade New York, see if I can catch something in New York. If I can catch something in New York, I'll take it, bro. I will literally take it. This was funny though, because this is pure divergence. Look at EU versus GU, man. Very big divergence of price action, man. Very big. I'm gonna delete that and keep that. And yeah, you're talking about Bitcoin, bro. Bitcoin flipping hell. What did I say to you? It's gonna come. What did I say it's gonna do? It's gonna come take out that 103 low. You can take a buy there, or you could take it from this demand zone or the failure of that zone, which is 98. I think if you bought at like, what's the 1 hour demand zone? I think if you bought at, for example, 99.5 would be a good level. or from anywhere from this level here. So anywhere from this demand zone would have been nice. So 101.5 to 99.6. Oh, it took that zone out. Yeah, it took that zone out. Okay. So then the next zone to take a buy would be failure of this low. So 98.1. But be careful, because if you've noticed something about Bitcoin, we've dropped 20%. When you go over 20%, it's classed as bear market. So just be careful, because to me that's signaling bearish market. So I would just wait. It's just food why it's correlating. Inflation is down, economy is good, bro, no reason for it to go down. Good. Okay, government shutdown is due to continue for another 30 days. The government funding has become worse for you know, Bitcoin is risk on. We're not in a risk on market. We're still not in a risk on market. We're 50-50. There's still no confirmation in a risk on market yet. This is pure technical, the fall off. I'm going to try and catch a trade in New York, man. I still got one more opportunity to take a trade in New York session on that 100k account. So I'm going to check, I'm going to try my best to catch a clean trade. Clean. And if I can catch it, then happy days. I might be a bit risky depending how the trade setup looks and stuff like that. I'll think about it. And then obviously I'll have a go at that. On Bitcoin, yeah. I took liquidity from a 100k account as well. Ouch.
I'm Linda, proud mom of Team GB.
All right, Linda, you calm down, will ya? You calm down, Linda. You idiots, man, I swear down. Bro, they're literally saying that. माँ ये दे तेरे बेक की चप्पल मार लो. I just took a loss on this account for no reason for these idiots. I'm screenshotting all of this for evidence. Customer, they give me stress, man. I'm literally having to show them my evidence now. Idiots. I think it's this one.
At 5 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Eurozone PPI.
Might be this one.
Euro near forecast minus 0.2% on the prime minus 0.6%. And month-on-month forecast 0% on the prime minus 0.3%.
Where's the... I'm able to just send them proof now of everything. Now I'm having to argue with Quantech Hall about the payout rules that they did not make clear from the start. I've got all the screenshots from the Discord, bro. If they want to get funny, I've got all the screenshots, bro. All the screenshots. Let's see what they say in it. Bro, literally, I've got all the evidence, all the emails, everything. If they don't approve this, I'm gonna destroy them. I'm already writing a message out in the Discord.
At 5 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Eurozone PPIs year on year. Forecast minus 0.2% on the prior minus 0.6%, and month on month forecast 0% on the prior minus 0.3%. 1 minute remaining. I'll lead with the Eurozone PPI year on year.
Okay, catch with you later. Amicus doing gonna pack up and leave late the office. Yeah, I'm just trying to sort this issue out, this damn prop firm. Okay, he's sending a reply now. Let's see what he says. Are they gonna give a good response or he's gonna get cooked?
Ten seconds. Minus 0.2%, minus 0.2% as expected. Month on month, minus 0.1%, minus 0.1% lower than forecast, 0%.
He better turn around and say, yeah, that's fine, you've met the rules, we're gonna give you your payout. Literally, I should have been up flipping $1,000, yeah? Right, I'm gonna quit the stream here, guys. I need to deal with this anyway. I'll see you lot tomorrow or in New York session. Take it easy. Peace out. Bye bye. bye.